What is going on? So, pretty cool. Just got some RGB fans. The goal is to put them here since I am low on some fans. Even though I have this one here that's doing most of the cooling, then the little fans don't do a whole lot, but you know, they help a little bit, I guess. So, got these for free actually. So, pretty cool. Didn't have to pay anything for them. I don't really have anything RGB except for, you know, like what's on this 1060 Extreme Gaming Edition. So we're going to get these mounted on the rig. Terrible transition. Call was coming in, so I had to cut the video, and then the editing is going to be really bad. So get these mounted on the rig, and then we actually need to do an unboxing. We got another package in, so we will do that in this video right after I get the fans mounted on the rig in 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. Hooked up. I know it doesn't look the best because there's 3 with RGB, no RGB, and then the 4 down below, no RGB. But it's good. They work. I got the fan speed going faster, so they should see some lower temps on a couple of the cards. We'll see. I'm just keeping it blue right now. I don't really want to do the rainbow, but maybe I will. So next we're going to do an unboxing from NewEgg. So we got a package in from NewEgg. We're going to get the table set up, and then we'll get started getting it open. 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Finally unboxing the package from NewEgg. Just to explain a little bit more, it is a NewEgg Shuffle that I won. So let's go ahead and get it open. So inside we got one of these, the MSI, is it Spadium? I actually don't know how to say that. 1 terabyte M.2 SSD, so pretty cool. With the shuffles, you never really can just purchase one. Most of the time, well, sometimes it's just one, but most of the time it's like 2 products or 3 products. So we got that. That was kind of like our additional product that came. Definitely use. Definitely going to get used. I'm not sure when, but now we have one. So, but this is the big winner. Let me get the camera back. So it is the MSI Ventus RTX 3060. So that makes 2 3060s. We have the Zotac. You can kind of see here it's mining away. The Zotac 3060 overclock edition. It is an LHR card. I'm gonna guess this is also probably LHR. Let's see on the back. It's still in the plastic, but it doesn't have the LHR logo either. So maybe I can have some higher hopes that it is not. But this is actually the first GPU that will have the triple fan, the 3X, the 3 fans. All my other ones have 2 fans, even the Extreme Gaming Edition that's like the biggest GPU that I have. But let's go ahead and get this one opened up. Boom. Let's see what we got inside. a nice little packaging for instructions and whatnot. It goes back in there. This is what we care about. Put that there. My second brand new GPU. A lot harder to do with one hand. Come on. Oh, the tape got stuck on the fan. Here we go. So, another brand new 3060. It is also 8-pin. I'm curious to see what 3 fans make. Does it make a big difference? Obviously, like the heat sink is way longer with the 3rd fan on there. So I'm curious if performance-wise, if we compare this 3060 versus the Zotac 3060, how we're going to do. So the next video that I record is going to be the kind of performance test on the 3060 for hash rate on all the algorithms, and while I do that, I will also compare the 3-fan, the MSI model versus the Zotac model. I know Zotac tends to have lesser performance. For instance, like in this rig, that top 1060 right there is a Zotac, and it actually has the lowest hash rate of all the others. So I don't know if Zotacs just perform less. I really don't know the case. Maybe it's the memory that Zotac. I don't know if all Zotacs are the same memory, if they're all different memories. I haven't actually checked that one to see what memory it is. But needless to say, so super happy, super pumped about this. We'll get it set up. That way we can do testing. That's going to do it. Peace out.